So, welcome back. We are going to begin from where we ended. We finished the structure of a website. So, this time we are going to begin from there. So, first of all, this is the structure of HTML. Here, under heading details, we have meta, data, name, title, what. But here, let us first deal with title. Here you have to change the title of your document. By default, the title is document, but you have to change. For example, your title is my first web page. It is going to be my title. When you open here, I'm going to use this. When you open your title, it is going to be here. When you open your browser, are you getting? So that one is done. Now we are going on paragraph. How do you create paragraphs in HTML? So first of all, we are going to create paragraphs. But before reaching on paragraphs, let us first look at these things. H1, it represents heading 1, and headings are from H1 to heading 6 to H6. H1 is the smallest heading. H6 is the smallest heading. H1 is the biggest heading. So here we are going to look about creating paragraphs. This is H1. Then there is also H2. The same, creating paragraphs. So H3, creating paragraphs. H4, you write the opening tag, this one, and the closing tag. So H4, creating paragraphs. H5, creating paragraphs. Then heading 6, creating paragraphs. Now, when you review, when you open this work in browser, I think you're seeing the difference. This is H1, it is the biggest heading. H2, are you seeing? It is reducing. This is H6, the smallest. This is the biggest. That's the difference between H1 and H6 or H4, H5 or H4, like that. I think you're seeing here. H6, H5, 4, 4. H1 biggest, H6 smallest, like that. So now we are going on paragraphs. How do you create paragraphs? First of all, you need a paragraph tag. So paragraph tag, you write less than symbol P, then greater than, and this This is opening tag from here, then from here up to here, then from here in between up the end it is the closing tag. These are the paragraph tags. In between here it is where you write your paragraph. For example, I come from Wangole town, mighty town only. When you open, you're seeing this is my paragraph. Are you getting? This is my paragraph. It is already here. Here I'm using live server. That is why what I'm writing here is what you're seeing here. I'm using live server. So the paragraphs, it is done. So let us look about select tag. So we are going to talk about select. Now next we are going to look about the select tag. Select tag. Let me first delete this. Now let's just look about the select tag. So under select, for example, if given options and you want to pick one, it means that if you want to create that selection, that list where you choose from, it means that you have to use the select tag. When you're developing your website, this is what you're supposed to use. You have to use the select tag. After you writing this select tag, the opening tag and the closing tag. The closing tag, it has to be with this backslash. In between the opening tag and the closing tag, you write the option tag. You say option tag, option tag. This is the syntax of option tag. Now option tag, for example, I want my option here, for example, it is going to be my value is going to be Uganda. Even here it's going to be, for example, Uganda. So let me first copy and paste this. Right click, go to copy, paste here. Even here, copy, paste. For example, copy, paste. For example, here you have Uganda, then here I'm changing to Kenya. I have also to change here to Kenya. Then here, for example, I'm changing to Tanzania. Also here you have to change to Tanzania. Then here, for example, Rwanda. And here you have to write Rwanda. You save your work. Then when you come here and you click, if you want, in case you are told to choose Kenya, you choose. For example, if Tanzania, you choose. For example, here in heading, for example, you have told to input your country. So here, type in country you come from. You come from. For example, me, I come from Uganda. You put me, I come from Kenya. Me, I come from Tanzania. Me, I come from Rwanda. Like that. You getting? So, allow me to stop here for today. Thank you for listening.